make some pretty good apartments.
They would.
I'm making a video for YouTube.
That's cool.
These are some bird houses hanging in my local neighborhood. They're like made out of gourds. I'm not sure exactly what kind of birds they are, but there's a bunch of them.
I wanted 9. Look at this tree. It's so awesome.
Beautiful sunset, birds flying everywhere.
Stupid. Oh my god. We went to this nature park. It was so cool. And we're only like right down the road from it, which is really awesome. Oh my god, you gotta see these birds.
That's what I'm saying. This is crazy.
No, we're in their space. So they're like freaking out, trying to warn us that if we don't leave,